Hello Maple Maze, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making our very own art prints. If you've ever made a glorious, beautiful, amazing piece of art and thought, I want to make this into a print. I need to share this with the world. Then you've clicked the right video. Here are some of the prints that I've made recently from my art. It took lots of trial and error, but I've finally come pretty darn close to perfecting the art of making prints. Disclaimer, I graduated as an art major from UCSD and took classes in art, photography, and printmaking, so all of this info is coming from a reputable source. So in this video, I'll be taking you through a 4-step process of how to make prints of your very own art. Let's get into it. Step 1. Make art. This is a giant painting I've done, which was inspired by a cute little collection of knickknacks, plushies, keychains, and Asian snacks that I like. I wanted to create a painting of all the objects that I love, all together on one canvas. Step 2. Take a photo. I use my iPhone 12 Pro Max. To make a perfectly straight photo, I turn on the camera grid in my settings. To enable this, you go to Settings, Camera, Composition, and switch on the grid. This helps me take perfectly straight aligned photos. This is an important step because if your picture is not perfectly straight, the art will be at a weird angle and have uneven edges. So make sure to take the photo in clear, even lighting, no shadows, no flash, etc. I found that it's best to take photos in daylight. See the comparison of a bad, disgusting, crooked photo versus a beautifully straight, amazing, perfect photo. Step 3. Edit the photo. I use Photoshop to remove any imperfections in the art, like any dust marks or paintbrush hairs. Then I resize the image to my desired dimensions. In my case, I make prints in the sizes 8.5 by 11 and 13 by 19. Step 4. Print. Export the file as a .tif for the highest print quality. In the Photoshop print settings, scroll down to Media Type, select Photo Paper, and choose High Quality. Make sure the resolution is at least 300 pixels per inch. This setting ensures you have the best, max, highest quality possible. Because of this, it will take a few minutes longer to print than usual. Patience is key. In color management, go to Color Handling, select Photoshop Manages Colors. Under Printer Profile, choose your selected print paper, and in Position and Size, enable Scale to Fit Media. Now that all the print settings are finished and everything looks good, test and choose which print paper works best for you. I have a variety of matte, glossy, and premium fine art papers, and after testing different brands, I found that the Epson Ultra Premium photo paper gives me bright, vivid colors, but the Canon photo paper is the most color accurate. So go out and experiment, test which papers tickle your fancy. Now it's finally time to print. This will take a few minutes because of how large the paper is, and to properly capture all of the details from the highest print quality settings. And you're all done! Now you have a beautiful art print you can share with your friends, your family, and all your loved ones. You can even sell them and ship it all around the world. The possibilities are endless. The world is your oyster. Now that you're equipped with this newfound knowledge, go out and create beautiful things. Bye! See you in my next video.